Hey guys, I am very happy, and the reason for this massive big smile is because my new book, my brand new book, my fifth book, Chetna's 30-Minute Indian, is out today. Oh my God. This seems like it has been in the works forever because I wrote this in last summer in the lockdown, and it has been a crazy journey because it was trying to get something to you guys that you will enjoy at home and will be able to make within 30 minutes. And I just want to take you for a little sneak peek behind the scenes at the book shoot that happened last year. So let's go and have a look there. It's week one of the shoot, and I'm super excited. It's kind of like the fun bit because I have worked so hard for the last few months. I'm trying to get recipes right, testing it again and again, getting it perfect for you guys, and now I get to shoot it with a fantastic team and get it ready, beautiful and fantastic for the book. So yes, very, very excited. I will take you with me and show you a little glimpse of what goes behind the actual shoot, and hope you will enjoy it. So let's get this started. This is the lovely selection of the props that the prop stylist has very carefully chosen, keeping the recipes in mind. And then we've together looked through and decided what to use for each recipe, and they are all very, very beautiful. We start with one recipe at a time, and the whole day is planned. And this is the delicious coconut paneer that Emily has prepared, and that's the shot from the lens. It is ready to be captured by lovely Nasima, and it is a delicious, delicious paneer recipe. And for me, one of the best things about book shoots is the amazing lunch spreads, because all of this food was cooked for the shoot, which we've shot for the book, and then we can sit down and enjoy it all together as a meal. Here is another recipe being prepped. It's a lovely mixed vegetable curry that is in the book. And I just wanted to share this next recipe because it's one of my favorites from the book. It's a cheese and chili naan, and here it's been stuffed in the naan dough very, very nicely, gently, carefully. And these things are absolutely so good and ready in 30 minutes as well. So once they're stuffed, they are very gently rolled so that the filling doesn't ooze out, and then they will be ready to be cooked. So they go under a hot grill for a couple of minutes until they are bubbly and golden. And here you can see the cheese oozing out, finished with heaps of butter, of course, because that's the best combination with naan. And now they will be very, very carefully plated up. So we have a beautiful shot at the end of it. Here you can see Emily is plating it up, and then she keeps adjusting it, moving it till she's very happy. Decided to break into one of the naans, and then I'm slightly fast forwarding it because it is being done very, very carefully, and it's quite a nice, lovely process. And then look at that lovely shot that Nasima has taken in the end, and we are all very happy with it. So it's a yes from all of us. And just the final touches. Another day, another lunch, a plate full of different dishes that have been cooked today. There's a bit of mushroom curry, there is a bit of lentils and fish. And once they are done, these pictures are printed out and cut into small pieces, so that they can be put together on the wall and we can have a look. Finishing touches are being put to this dessert shot. You can see this just a little bit of edible silver being put on top, which is quite a characteristic of Indian sweets. A lot of Indian sweets have the silver foil, and these are looking really scrumptious and quite so pretty. And here is the finished shot, looking stunning. Another day of a meal. We have a little bit of chicken today, some salad, some flatbreads, and obviously all of these delicious recipes are in the book, and we get to enjoy them for our lunch. They are really the best lunches. One of the highlight recipes for me is this cake, because it's so easy, obviously, but it is absolutely fantastic and ready in 30 minutes. You wouldn't think looking at that, but it definitely is. And another dessert, finished with some nuts, pistachio, cashew nuts, almonds, going straight into the set, finished with a pinch of saffron here. There it goes. The set is all ready for the lovely creamy dessert. The book is coming together on this wall. You can see them all together. We can see how it is coming together beautifully. And capturing the dessert, and look at that beautiful shot. Mouth-watering. You just don't realize how much effort and work, hard work goes into preparing a recipe book, a cookbook. It is months and months of development of the recipes to try and get it right, because I want you to cook from the book and get it right every single time. And if you have been following my YouTube channel, then you will know that I try and make recipes that are achievable, that are doable at home. There's nothing fancy about it. It's real good, delicious food. And that's exactly what I've done with this book. I have done healthy Indian cookbooks, I've done baking books, street food book, and I think the next one, I wanted something where we are all struggling with time. Now we're going back to some normality, and with work and kids and family and everything, we still want to eat good food. Come on, we do. And share it with family and friends, but we don't always have the time. So this 30-minute book will do just that, give you delicious food in the half an hour that you have, and no compromises on flavor. It's going to be spot on every single time. And I just want to give you a little sneak peek. The book starts with lots of lovely snacks, and quick meals that you can share, summary snacks, and party snacks. Then it moves on to lots of lovely fish recipes, because I love the fish recipes, and my absolute favorite, chicken. So there's lots of delicious quick chicken meals, and then we move on to curries and sabjis, where I use all the vegetables that I can find locally, and tried some delicious recipes with that. And quite important, dals and beans and pulses, because that is very key to Indian food. And then we move on to lovely breads and flatbreads and just delicious stuff to enjoy the curries with this rice and noodles. And then, of course, there has to be chutneys and pickles and raita. And in the end, there is a sweet chapter, of course. But in the end of the book, I have also shared some meal plans, so that if you are planning to cook more than one dish, then you can team up with things and what things will go best. I've just given you an idea of what to put together. And that is all. The book is out today in the UK and it's coming out in the US on the 13th of July. So you can check out some of the stores and online. And if you are in any other country, you will have to check out your online bookstores, Amazons, because I'm not exactly aware which all countries is it going to, because I know it's out in the UK today and out in US on 13th July. So I really do hope you'll manage to get hold of a copy somehow. And if you do cook from it, if you posting a picture, then please do tag me. And I will be sharing some of my special recipes here on my channel from next week onwards. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out. Hit the bell button so you get a notification, and I will see you very soon with another delicious recipe.